lighting up?
Checking my hair to see if it's frizzy.
Nope, not frizzy.
Good.
Making sure it's not trying to stand up with like static electricity and stuff, because that's a sign about to get electrocuted. There's that Tacoma again. Why do you keep lighting up? We may have more very close lightning. So we're still getting lightning to the west. That's interesting. Also note there is a chance of severe weather along the bus route, coinciding where in the part of the bus route I would be. So if anything happens along the bus route at one of the bus stops while in the bus moving, at one of the layaways, whatever, layovers, I will record it. Because like I said, highlights of the trip uploaded when I get to Washington. Auburn, Washington, so... Like I said, more close lightning. I like. I'll do a lot of editing with that, but with the first one. But I expect there's gonna be a lot of content for the channel, for sure. Oh, that was gonna be loud. The party bus is back! There we go, storm chasing on the party bus. That'll be awesome. Is the party bus gonna get hit by lightning? What's even like this on cue lightning? It almost hit the party bus too. It almost hit the party bus.